All right, well, I didn't get any video of this because I got busy and didn't do it, but Sawmill extension is framed up. A block of poplar there is going to be the floorboards. We're going to get that put on, and then once that's on, this thing is getting tore down. It's all coming out, all getting cleaned out the rest of the way. We did a bunch of cleaning. We cleaned out here, cleaned out over here yesterday. We cleaned out behind here. I got a fire to burn tomorrow before the weather comes in. But we cleaned out a bunch of stuff that was back here. Got most of the sawdust out and piled up down yonder. So we're trying to get as much done. We got the remnants of this Hurricane Ian. It's supposed to hit us this weekend. Nothing major, just lots and lots of rain. So I went out and I got the roof felt for the chicken coop. Tomorrow I'm going to try to get on that and get it at least dried in so it doesn't get soaking wet. Daddy. Got my helpers out here. Daddy. See? There they are. Got my helpers, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut this log. All right, well, that got us all but one board. I got to trim the ends off, but the floor's coming along. Hopefully before the rain comes in, we'll have this thing, everything squared away. We're getting there. I have to cut one more board. Little guy seems to like it. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good talk. Oop, I think I missed that one. Got it. Done. All right, well, we got a floor. Came out 10 feet. That'll be plenty for the extension. Seems pretty solid. I'm sure it'll settle a little bit, but it works. Square, level at the moment. Eventually we will put a side, two sides, and a roof over top of it to cover it all in, but we're literally just doing this right now so I can get the extension put on, re-level, replumb everything, re-square everything on it, put it all back together, do a little bit of quick maintenance, and get right back to cutting because we got a bunch of orders. So maybe in January. We'll put a roof over it. I don't know. We'll see how things go, but eventually a roof will get over top of it. So, but that's a quick and easy floor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, please.